I hope you all are doing amazing. You all are fine by God's and universe grace. Are you? I am also perfectly fine, thanks to God and universe. Last year, I have released several videos related to my bunnies because I love bunnies. And we generally spend a lot of time in having fun activities apart from our other daily activities. So those fun activities I've shared with you, and apart from that I've shared short videos, short movie videos, and in addition I've shared a few spiritual videos as well. This year also again I'm here in front of you with few very amazing gifts for you all. So I'm gonna share with you about them one by one. So let's start, should we? Okay, so my first, okay, let me share about my first gift with you all. And before sharing about my first gift with you all, I would like to ask one question from you. Do you know that we are having magical powers? And when I talk about these magical powers, I'm not talking about magical powers just like that, wherein a magician is doing magic with the help of hand activities or by hiding something or something like that. I'm talking about real magical powers. Like you must have seen certain movies in which Aladdin is there and his genie is there, and he presses his a kind of chirag or something like that, cup, and then a genie comes out, and then he asks about his wishes from him, and he says, okay, here everything whatever you're asking from me, my owner. So I'm talking about that sort of magic. Indeed, we are truly magical, and we are having these kind of magical powers within us. And the best thing is that we need not to have any kind of cup in order to have that genie. We just need to think about it within our heart, or just like that, without expressing anything to anybody, we can get our desires manifested with the help of our own magical powers. So when I talk about my first gift for you all, it is related to the same. It is related to our own magical powers of the universe. And what happens when there is both of these combined, like our magic and universe magic, so what happens by that? So this gift is related to that. So without any further ado, I would like to share that it is related, I am going to launch a series as how we can create our own dream life, or how we can manifest our own dreams with the help of our own magical powers. So in case if this is your interest area, feel free to watch this series. And I personally feel that it is very essential for us to know about these powers, and to know the process through which we create our own life. Indeed, I would like to share with you that with the help of these magical powers, we create our own life. I learned this process kind of 2 years or few years ago, not 2 years, few years ago I started learning this, and I got a really amazing mentor with the help of whom I started learning this process, and I'm still learning. And I did a lot of experiments during this duration, and it was a wonderful and quite adventurous period for me, and it still is. So I'm having a journey full of fun and adventures and magics. Every day, I get to see lots of miracles. So miracles are generally, it is a very common thing for me that I'm getting to see all these many miracles, and I feel so blessed that I am getting a chance to see all these miracles. And I'm really thankful to my mentor for teaching me this beautiful skill, which I'm interested to share with you all. Why I feel that you should learn this skill? Because I feel that when a child is born and post that we send him to school. So this education is just equivalent necessary to learn like going to school, because in case if we don't know our magical powers, if we don't know how to create it, we think that it is written our destiny, it is written in our destiny, and we start to accept that. Whereas the reality is that we ourselves, we create our own life with the help of these magical powers. Only thing is we don't know about these magical powers and we don't know how to create it. So just because we don't know it, so sometimes we are able to create a very beautiful life, which is good, but things turn really bad in case if you're not able to create a wanted life, which we want in real or dream life. So in order to learn that how we can create a beautiful dream life, it is essential for us to know about, first of all, about these powers, and then to know how we can use this power to work in our favor and create our dream life instead of creating something else which we don't want. Because by learning this process, we will come to know that what is the language of universe. There is a language in which universe talks to us, and we do have our own magical powers. So everything in detail, in depth, I'm going to share in this process with you all. So in case if you're interested, feel free to watch. And that was my first gift. And in case if you're willing, in my next video, I'm gonna share in detail, like what this manifestation process has brought into my life, like how my life was before learning this process and how I am right now post learning this process, and how this can do a value add in your life. So this would be the topic of my next video, and with regard to this series. Now let me talk about my second gift. I think most of you know that I have bunnies. I have bunnies of different colors, size, shape, and I truly love them to the core. And I would like to share my love with you as well. So in case if you're a passionate pet lover, and in case if you're also interested to have bunny as a gift, so feel free to approach me. You can ping me on my number 9811816994. You can message me, or you can write down a comment below this video, and we can talk about it. So that is my another gift to you, and this is totally free of cost, because I consider them just like my own kids. I love them to the core, and they are just like my own babies. So I would like to, I'm not charging any kind of money. There's no cost involved in that. Is only thing which I'm asking from you is that I'm looking for people, because my bunnies are free roam, they generally roam around freely. So I'm looking for people who can keep them just like their family members, and they're not going to keep them in cage, rather they are going to allow them to be free roam bunnies, and who can provide them healthy food, good living facility, who can take care of them for lifelong, and they can provide healthy food, they can play with them, and basically they can consider them as their family member and accept them fully as a family member, including their pee and poop, because like human being, they also pee and poop. So that is it. So that was my another gift to you. And apart from that, you'll definitely see our other bunnies related videos. I will share certain vlogs as well related to them and their life. And in case if you do have any queries related to both the concepts, feel free to share. And about my manifestation series, I would again say that in case if you're willing, feel free to watch it, because not only it will share the process of manifestation with you, as how we create our own life, dream life, and our things which we are interested to manifest, but it will also fasten your soul journey. It's like whenever we, and also you'll come to know about your soul path and soul purpose as well. Like whenever we join any kind of organization, and then over there, in case if we are not allotted any kind of goal, so we get confused what we have to do, and generally, uh, we do something, or something we don't do sometimes, in case if our company manager is not satisfied, then we may get fired as well. But in case if we are aware about goal, then we proceed further in a proper way. So in a similar pattern, in case if we are here and if we don't know what our purpose is, then we keep on moving here and there in a confused way. But by learning this process, you'll get a straight path. You come to know what your straight path, and then at the same time your journey also get very fast. And then not only we come to know what our soul purpose, but also we start living it very beautifully, in a fun way, in a joyful way, in a very easy and effortless way. In short, life becomes very simple, full of clarity and beautiful. So in case if you're interested to see that what else manifestation can do to your life, my next video is related to same. Feel free to watch it. And in case if both the topics interest you, feel free to watch my videos. And again, these were the gifts which I was interested to share with you, and catch you in the next video. Till then, infinite love, light and blessings to you all. Take care and catch you in the next video.